But first at 5:30, a new push to protect children of Northeast Ohio.
Tens of millions of dollars available to help property owners make their buildings lead safe. Now, here's why that's so important. In 2019, just over 2% of Ohio children tested have high lead levels. But in Cuyahoga County, that number jumps to nearly 6%.
And in Cleveland, it's 8.6%. In fact, starting next month, landlords in the city have to certify their rental units are lead safe. News 5 anchor Mike Brookbank shows us the program taking a new approach to helping out landlords and children.
25% of our children in CMSD schools have been exposed to lead.
A new law, which hits the books at the start of the year, sets out to significantly reduce that lead exposure.
This is the first time the type of resources we have dedicated to not just landlords, but homeowners.
Environmental Health Watch, teaming up with CHN Housing Partners.
When you look at landlords in Cleveland, most of them are smaller mom and pop shops.
To help property owners and parents identify areas in a home that can create lead dust.
We look for friction surfaces such as door jambs, windows,
and provide the contractors who can come in to reduce the risk in those rental units.
They don't have to try to navigate all these systems because we're looking at it in a different way.
Instead of trying to completely remove the lead, which can cost between $30,000 and $50,000, crews will provide interim controls.
You're able to reduce the potential for lead poisoning significantly by undertaking these smaller controls that are on average about $4,000 per unit.
CHN Housing Partners working to secure $85 million over the next 5 years to mitigate exposure in Cleveland's rental properties.
Our goal is to be able to have financing available for 20 to 25,000 of those units.
Landlords will have to incur some cost, but they have no choice. Starting in 2021, they will be required to secure lead-safe certificates.
Building and Housing is responsible for handling the certifications and certifying landlords.
Environmental Health Watch currently building up manpower to get their efforts underway.
We have to have the workforce ready to address this mitigation, address the properties, to make sure our children are not continuously getting poisoned every day in the city of Cleveland.
Reporting in Cleveland, Mike Brookbank, News 5.